how to customize and reset your explore page on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to customize and reset your explore page on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, you should go to your setting and go to your apps. Now all you need to do is click on manage account, manage apps. Now click on Instagram and click on clear data or clear cache. Now clear your cache, click OK, and this is it. Now go back to your Instagram and go to your search icon, click on search and basically delete all your search. Now all you need to do is find type of videos you like. For example, click you like hair tutorial or something like this, click on her account and click on the plus person beside the message, click on it and you're gonna find all person that have those type of videos or those type of content, and click follow and do the same thing to find more those kind of videos and posts. And this is it. And with time, and stop liking videos or posts you don't like or you don't have any interested about them or something like this, and you're gonna customize and reset your explore page. It's gonna take about 2 days, 3 days, like this. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.